Hi there, in this tutorial I will show how can we find out combination and permutation formula using scientific calculator. Let's do it. First of all, I would like to solve this problem. 8, then press shift button. Here is the permutation button, then 5. Now press equal button. Now result will be displayed. Now I want to solve second problem. 5, then again press shift button. Here is the NCR means combination button. Then 3, now press equal button. Then result will come out. That's why we can solve any combination and permutation formula using this calculator. Thank you watching my tutorial.